Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know what are the rewards or benefit comes with a Macquarie's credit card. So as you all know that Macquarie offers a variety of different credit card. So according to them, the different types of credit card holds a different sort of rewards and benefit. So to understand this, open up a browser and go to macquarie.com.au/everyday banking credit card. And on this page, go ahead and select the specific credit card that you want to go ahead and read about the information. So then press on learn more. And when you actually do this, scroll down to the bottom and you have this option as flexible reward. You'll be able to see the reward and benefit that has been offered by the Macquarie's credit card. So you could go ahead and read all of these information. Now, likewise, if you want to know about the other credit card, you do the same procedure. Press on the learn more option, go to the section of flexible reward, and you should be able to see all of these information. With this, you'll be able to know the reward and the benefit that comes with a Macquarie's credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.